Okay, so this is called box plot, okay? You haven't seen this in school, have you?
No.
Okay, so basically, this is called statistic. This is like sixth grade stuff, or maybe I don't know, higher or whatever. This box.
Actually, yeah, I have done
Yeah.
that.
Do you remember it, or do you probably need to refresh?
Yeah, I know.
You do or you don't?
Yeah, I do. I know. Like this is 91. This is 91.
Yes, that's your maximum. Okay, and then what about your minimum? What's the smallest number?
So let's see. Right here.
No, that's the 57. No, I don't think you learned. You haven't learned this. I don't think. Like it's going to be something like this. You drew a box, and then it's got a middle number, and then you got to do a small number and a big number like this. It's called box and whisker.
Mm-hmm. Oh, so 51.
No.
No, 30.
All right, so let's just let me just reteach this, okay? Because you okay, the 30 is right, yeah. So okay. Now first you need to rearrange this in order, okay? From the smallest to the largest. So 30, you see how 30 is the smallest, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Usually when you write that down, you just cross them out. The next one is 33. The next one is 38. The next one is 40. So that's four numbers here, okay? And then the next one is 51, 57, and then 81 and 91. So there's eight numbers total, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now, eight numbers is a little bit tricky. So first, this smallest number is called minimum, okay?
Yeah.
So that's what I draw a line here. So let me make a thick line if I can. Gosh, that's too thin. Let me see. Okay, 30 is my minimum. Can you see that?
Mm-hmm.
And then the maximum, what is my maximum?
91.
Okay, which is right here. So now let me just draw another one. So this will be my maximum. Now, if I'm only look at the first part here, this first half of this data, there's eight numbers total. So half of them will be 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm looking at 33 and 38. Can you find the middle number between those two? So what's halfway between 33 and 38? You might have to do some math.
36.
It's going to be decimal because you see how there's 5 numbers between them.
35.5.
Right. So 35.5. So watch what I'm doing. 35.5 will be maybe right here. Okay. Oh, let me write this now. So this is called Q. 35.5. If you're not sure, all you have to do is add 33 and 38 and then divide by 2, okay?
Mm-hmm.
This right here is called Q1 or first quartile. Now you're going to do the same thing over here. So between 57 and 81, you got to find that middle number. So this one won't be decimal because 7 and 1 is like 4 between.
59.
No, that's too small. 57 and 81.
Oh.
So 69, you think?
Yeah.
Right, so 69. This is called Q3, okay? That's your third quartile. So which is around 69, it's right here, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm just gonna go and connect the box here first. So Q1 to Q3, you're gonna draw a box like this, okay? And then the smallest and the largest is your minimum and maximum. You just draw extension like this. So if I just rewrite this, so this is my min, this is Q1, this is Q3, and this is max, okay? Now you're gonna find the middle for the whole thing. So if you look at it, it looks like between what, 40 and 51, that would be your Q2, okay? Or also it's called median. It's the middle of those sets of numbers. So 40 and 51, 40 something 0.5, what is that?
46.
That's too big because 46.
5.5.
So that will be your Q2, or you can just call it 45.5 middle, okay? So that will be your Q2 median. So when you create a box plot, is you're supposed to use this to analyze things. So minimum is 30, maximum is 91, and then you got Q1, Q2, and Q3 based on what you have, okay? All right, now let's go ahead and if you want to do number 2, so we write the sets of numbers from the smallest to the greatest, and then start drawing the lines on those numbers. It could be decimal again, okay? And when it's decimal, that just means 0.5, okay?
So smallest is 58.
58, okay?
So
Or just cross that so you don't get confused. So write 58 on the empty space, and then cross out 58, yes. Okay. Well, you still want to write it because you're gonna have to calculate Q1, Q2, and Q3. So write down 58 right next to that set that you see the empty space on the right side. Or type 58, I don't care. Okay, so your next number is what? 60 something.
I'm gonna do the largest one, which is 93.
Okay. And make sure you put all the way out there because you need space to write those 8 numbers. 93, okay. Okay, cross out 93. No, not that one. The 93 in the questions. Okay, now we type 93.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, 63, 60.
This is 64.
Right. Well, you're missing a number. There's 8 numbers. 61, 71. Oh, yeah, never mind. Your 93 is way out there. Okay, I see. Okay, so that can be. Wait, hold on. Let me move. Okay, so I'm going to move this one down here. So you see this? 93. So it's not 74 and 81. It's the other 2 numbers. 82 and 89. Okay. Hold on. Just okay, there you go. Yep. So 82 and 9, what is that?
86.5. 85.5.
5.5, yeah. Okay, good. Okay, now we're just gonna have to find the Q2, the middle.
$72.2.
74, 72.5, always 0.5, okay. Yep, okay, good, that's it. You can save this. You know how to do that. Okay, now, I'm gonna clear this. Number 3, I'm gonna try that first and see what you come up with, okay?
Number 3?
Yeah. So write the entire sets of numbers. So there's 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 11 numbers, okay? It's gonna be a little bit different than what you just did. Okay, make that, drag that little rectangle further out so you can move that 82 to the right, if you know how to do it.
No, I don't know. It doesn't let me. Once you already like put
Okay.
it down, you can't change it.
Yeah, click select and then move it like this. Okay, you're good. All right, now 2, 4, 6, 8. Wait, you're missing a number. 20, 39, 42, 45, 50, 53, 54, 55. Wait, what else is missing? 54. There's 253, okay? So hold on, let me just rewrite this. Okay. Yeah.
In Unity, I don't have a select thing.
You don't? When you click annotator, you don't see the select at all?
Yeah, I don't see it.
Okay. All right, so now there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There's 11 numbers, okay? So your minimum and maximum is still the same. It's 20 and 82, right?
Yeah.
So I'm just going to do that real quick. So let's just do that. 82 like that. Now, this time, because it's 11 numbers, right? Oh, 82, my bad. Yeah, you're right. Let me just erase this part. Go ahead and put a 22. Write down. Okay. Now, what you do is you're gonna see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this time you only gonna work on these 5 numbers and then these 5 numbers. This is already done for you. You see how this is dead middle? Because when you have odd numbers of numbers, you don't have to do the between them, if you know what I mean. Okay, good. Now, where is Q1 on this first half? Which number is exactly?
So if it has like 12, would you have like Q4 and stuff?
Right. If it's even numbers, you're gonna have to calculate the average of those middle, right? Like what we just did. But if it's odd numbers like 11, 13, 7, then you know it's gonna be just, you can always find the middle numbers, okay? You don't have to add them, divide by 2.
So 42 and 55.
Right, so this is a lot easier, okay? That's your Q1. And 55 would be your Q3. Only because there's 11 numbers. So this is odd sets of debtors. Yep, that was a lot easier, right? Okay, so let me just save this. Okay, number 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, number 4 is 7. That's good. So that's odd numbers. That should be pretty easy. So make sure rewrite or retype the order, put them in order, and then just go ahead and find those numbers. You can just graph them. You don't have to tell me. Hey, hold on. I'll be right back. I gotta get some coffee. If you finish 4, go ahead and do 5, okay? Okay, I'm back. So 5, 7, 8, 12, 14, 15, 19, that's correct. 7 is your Q1, 15, Q2, 12. Yep, good. Yeah. So this one is correct. Okay, we need 5 minutes. Okay, let's just move on because I'll save this for homework, okay? Now your next one is similar. It's called finding quartiles. Okay, so I'm just gonna do number 1. Oops, why is it? Okay. Same thing, okay? So if you look at number 1, except you don't have to do minimum and maximum. So you only have to find first, second, which is your median, and then third quartile. So basically you gotta find Q1, Q2, Q3, okay? And you don't need to graph. So you wanna go ahead and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there's 8 numbers here, okay? Which means it's even set. So you're gonna have to deal with, 0.5, or you're gonna have to find the average between like the middle of those 2 numbers, okay? So that's first, you're gonna rewrite the numbers. So over here, you're gonna put Q1, Q2, Q3. Well, let me check something real quick. Okay, 5, 6, 7. Oops, sorry, 5, 6, 7. My bad.
So first Q1 is 62.5.
62.5. Wait, that's too small. Did you add them up, divide by 2? Could you map it? I think it's 50. So if you can't find the middle, you're just gonna add 33 and 39 and 66 and then divide by 2. $52.5. I think. Okay. And write it on your screen on the right. Let me see. And then, okay, the 78 and 82 is pretty easy. You can try that. Are you doing Q2? Oh,
22, 27, 83.
Q27, 83. Wait, but you didn't rearrange them. You're supposed to rearrange them. Did you do that? No, you gotta do that first. Remember, you gotta go from smallest to the largest. Okay, so now you can.
27, 56, 83.
27, 56, 83. Yes, good. Okay. It's good enough. Okay. All right. So we can just stop, I guess. Any questions? So homework, this one, just finish 5, 6, and 7. And I got another sheet just like this. It'll be 7, 10, and then whatever you got here. 12. So maybe 20 questions, okay? All right. I'll see you next week, okay? All right, bye.